Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English for 5 minutes. Today, we learn about using a or an in English. Before we begin, don't forget to prepare your paper and pen so you can take notes from this lesson. Okay? Ready? Let's get started. Okay, now let's learn about rules of using a or an. Rule number 1. We use a before a word that starts with a consonant sound. Consonants are letters with like B, C, D, F, G, H, and etc. Rule number 2. We use an before a word that starts with a vowel sound. Vowels are letters like A, E, I, O, U. Rule number 3. Both a and an mean one of something. They are used before singular noun to indicate a single item, person, or thing. As an example, a book and one book have the same meaning. Now, let's check the examples on the next screen. Example words that start with consonant. Book, cat, house, shirt, car, boy. So this is consonant. B, C, H, S, C, B. Now let's practice by adding a to a word that starts with a consonant sound. This one, consonant. So it's gonna be a book, a cat, a house, a shirt, a car, a boy. Example of word that start with vowels. Apple, elephant, umbrella, ice cream, egg, O. So this is A, E, U, I, E, O. That's vowels. Now we are going to practice by adding an to a word that starts with a vowel sound. An apple, an elephant, an umbrella, an ice cream, an egg, an O. So can you add a or an on these words? Octopus, idea, chair, lamp, onion, engineer, bag, phone, eagle, oven. So try to add the word a or an in these words, and then we are going to compare your answers with mine on the next screen. Okay, now let's compare your answers with mine. An octopus, an idea, a chair, a lamp, an onion, an engineer, a bag, a phone, an eagle, an oven. So how do your answers compare to mine? I hope you get 100% correct. If not, don't feel discouraged. Just keep practicing. Okay everyone, thank you for learning with me. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and share it with your friend or family so they can learn English with you. So until next time everyone, bye now.